these baked eggs in a casserole pot, we are going to take some green onions, some garlic, some red bird eye chili. Along with that, I've taken some Gouda pieces. With that, I have some freshly ground black pepper, salt. Along with that, I've taken some potatoes, baby potatoes, and I've boiled them. And I'm going to add paprika, some parsley. I've taken some porcini mushrooms. Those were dried, so I've soaked them. And with that, you need some Cornish butter. So I'm going to mash the potatoes with all the ingredients, and then I'm going to create a nice wall in this casserole dish, and then I'm going to crack open the eggs and we are going to let it bake. This is how it's going to look like. Now I'm going to crack open the eggs and put them in this casserole dish. So there you can see eggs in there, and now I'm going to cover it with the lid. I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it for 25 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. The eggs are ready. I'm going to show you how it looks like, and we're going to serve it by taking a pineapple slice, and I'm going to put it like that, and then I'm going to flip it over in the plate. So it's there now, and it's time to remove this, and it looks like this. You are going to finish it up by adding some Greek yogurt. And here we go. The breakfast recipe is ready, and it's very healthy.